In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Getresponse Autoresponse account. To begin, log into your Getresponse dashboard. Once you are inside your account, take a moment to confirm you are on the main dashboard view so you can see the navigation clearly. Next, find and click on Autoresponders. This is the area where you create automated emails that send based on timing, like a welcome message right after someone subscribes. After opening Autoresponders, click the option to create a new autoresponder. A pop-up window will appear with setup options. Choose by myself. This selection gives you full control over the message timing, the subject line, and the email design, which is ideal when you want to build a custom welcome email or a specific automation message. Now you will be asked for an internal name. Enter an internal name that is only visible to you. This is not the subject line your subscribers will see. It is simply a label to help you identify the autoresponder later, especially if you create several messages for different lists or campaigns. Use a name that describes the purpose clearly, like a welcome email for new subscribers. After that, set the day of cycle to 0. Day 0 means the email goes out immediately, which is the standard setup for a welcome email. This helps new subscribers receive your message right after they join, while your brand is still fresh in their mind. Then check the when to send setting and make sure it is set to same time signed up. This ensures the autoresponder sends at the exact time the subscriber joins, rather than being delayed to a fixed hour of the day. Next, enter your subject line. Keep it clear and relevant to what is inside the email. A good subject line sets expectations and improves open rates, so make sure it matches the welcome or introductory message you are sending. Now click Design and Content. Choose a template that fits your style, then edit it as needed. Add your text, adjust branding elements, and review the layout for readability on both desktop and mobile. When you are satisfied with the design and content, click Next. Finally, click Save and Publish. This last step activates your autoresponder, so it can begin sending automatically to new subscribers based on the settings you chose. And that is all there is to it.